All right, lunch, a sandwich, and this video is definitely not going to be for everybody because it's going to be herring. This is Vita brand, which I like a lot. And this one is in wine sauce. It's pickled, and they also make it in sour cream, which I like both. A while back, I made a video on lox and bagels, which is smoked salmon on a bagel with cream cheese, a red onion sliced real thin, and capers. And I think when I did it, I couldn't, well, I can't get bagels where I live. You can, but they're not boiled. To make a correct bagel, you have to boil it first, and here they just bake them. And they're okay, but not like a legit New York bagel. What I'm going to do is put cream cheese. This is going to be like a spread. I've never heard of it before. I don't know anybody, like I've never seen anybody make this sandwich. Maybe it's something that like exists somewhere, maybe Scandinavia or something. I don't know. But I've never heard of it. But I think it might be pretty good. See what it looks like? I don't know in case you've never seen this. I'm about to drop an onion. It's just onions with herring in it. Well, actually, herring with onions in it. All right, there is that. Then I want to put a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Not too much. And I'm going to put capers on top once I mix this together. All right, that's that. So let's see. The consistency seems pretty good. A little thick. I probably could have put a little bit more of that juice in there. All right, there is that. Now some capers. All right, so instead of, if this was comparing it to the other sandwich, the lox and bagel, this is white bread instead of a bagel. It's herring instead of lox or smoked salmon. Both have onions, both have capers, and both have cream cheese. My guess is this is going to be about as far from a lox and bagel sandwich as you could possibly get. Okay, so there is that. This should probably have a glass of wine to go with it. That is definitely a surprise. This is way better than I thought it was going to be. I was a little iffy. I mean, I love herring pickled like this right out of the jar. Eat it with a fork. This is excellent. If you like herring out of a jar, give this one a try. Maybe the tiniest little bit of Tabasco to give it just a little bit of a zip. But other than that, this is way better than I anticipated.